Our tale begins with Imran Khan's spiritual awakening under the guidance of Sufi guide Muhammad Bashir. Stirred by the loss of his mother to cancer, Imran's connection with Allah deepens, guiding him down a path of inner peace and spiritual enlightenment. From the glamour of worldly success, we see a shift, a transformative journey towards a higher purpose. Imran's vision for the Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital becomes the ultimate goal, the beacon that lights his path. Having tasted success from the prestigious halls of Atchison College, Lahore, to the cricket fields of Oxford University, a higher purpose now calls. As the 1992 Cricket World Cup looms, Imran Khan's anticipation is tinged with a deeper conviction. He believes that Pakistan's success could serve as the key to realizing his dream for the Shaukat Khanum Hospital. Despite facing the daunting Australian pitches and the absence of key players, Imran stands resolute. Adversity strikes as Pakistan grapples with the injury of star bowler Waqar Younis and Imran's own physical challenges. The prospect of not being able to bowl due to aching shoulder muscles seems insurmountable. Yet Imran, a man of unwavering determination, steels himself to lead his team to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup. In this fourth chapter of Imran Khan's saga, we see a man who transforms adversity into triumph. The 1992 Cricket World Cup not only crowns Pakistan as champions, but also serves as the catalyst for the realization of the Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital dream. Imran Khan's story is a testament to resilience, faith, and the indomitable spirit that propels him on his extraordinary journey. As we continue to unravel Imran Khan, a political odyssey, stay tuned for more inspiring chapters of a tale that continues to captivate and inspire.